Hi, my name is Jasper, and this is going to be my speech of how to replace a flat tire, whether you're in your house or on the road. Alright, I'm going to show my audience. Yay! Alright, first thing you want to do when you're on the road is always stay calm and don't get excited about anything, because you getting frustrated is not going to make it go any easier. So remember, slow is smooth, and smooth is always fast. So usually, when you get a flat tire, it's going to be flat. But I'm going to let the air out to make it easier for us to replace the tube inside the tire. What you want to do is first take the nut that is on your tube stem off, so that you can get the tube out of there. This right here is a tire lever. The tire lever is actually going to help pull the tire off of the tube. So what you're going to want to do is put the lever above the rim, but underneath the tire. So you pick it up like this, and all you do is just push, and it'll actually just start to peel that tire right off the rim. So it's real simple. All it did was just slide it all the way around, and it peeled it off. So now that that's off, we're not even going to take the tire off of the rim in order to replace the tube. We're going to start at the opposite end of the stem here, and start to peel the tube out. So since this is already here, all you do is peel the tube out. Now as you're peeling the tube out, you want to make sure that you get all of it out. You fold the tire back, and all you have to do is just pull it right out. That's it. So we're just going to leave it like that. Normally I would grab my new tube that's in my flat pack in my bike, open this up, and put it back in. But just for the observation purposes, I'm just going to go ahead and reuse this one. So now, first what you want to do before you put the tube on, you had a flat tire. So you want to check in here and make sure that there's no thorns, no pieces of glass, no nettles, anything inside of this tire here. Because all you're going to do is just pop your tire again. You're going to be replacing it again. So first we're going to put a little bit of air in here. Just going to blow it up. So that way it makes it easier for us to put it back together. Just a little bit of air in there. Now we're just going to put it back on the exact same way, except we're going to work in a reverse direction that we took it off. So slide it back in here. Tuck it inside the tire. Remember, first you always want to do this slow. Nice and even. So we're going to start tucking the tire back into place. You're going to start on the same size as the stem here for the tube, and work your way evenly around to the opposite end. Nice and easy. Keep it relaxed. A lot of times you can actually just fold this over. You can just fold the tire over into the rim. But I'm going to make it really easy. We're just going to use this tire lever here again, and it'll just pop it right into place. So that's all you have to do. Nice and easy. And what you want to do too here, if you can look inside, see how there's no tube overlapping the tire? You want to check all the way around on both sides. Because if you don't do this, what you're going to do is you're going to end up pinching that tube, and you're just going to be replacing it again down the road. More than likely, you don't have two tubes on your bike, and you're just going to be really mad, and you're going to be calling somebody to come pick you up. So now after you have that, I carry a CO2 cartridge with me. So all you do is you'd unspin this little CO2 cartridge, spin it around, make sure it's ready to go. I'm not going to use this because it's a waste of resources, but you just set it on here, push the button, and it fills the tire right up. So for observation purposes, I'm going to put the nut back on. As you're doing that, you unspin this, let the air out, take your tire pump, put it on. And all you have to do is just pump it up. That's it. I pump my tires up to 120 pounds. Really depends on how heavy you are and how much stiffness you want on it. But that's a nice, easy, quick way to change your tube. Thank you.